Hey guys, so in this video I'll compare Doogee's latest 5G rugged phone, although it's not yet available, the Doogee V40 Pro, that's the device that I'm talking about, with the Cubot KingKong Star 2. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates and the best rugged phone deals. And speaking of deals, there is an upcoming event for the Star 2 which may enable you to get the Star 2 for a very affordable price. I'll share the link in the video description if you're interested. So with that out of the way, let's quickly compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones. So there we go guys, which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next update. Peace out.